Welcome back to this Live. We're still here on the Africa theme, and we're joined by actor Kevoy Burton and Jessica Jones, St. Andrews High Fundraiser Committee rep. They're here to talk to us about the movie Joseph. Welcome.
Blessings.
Welcome, Jessica.
Before we talk, we're going to have a look at the trailer, because I want to see.
Yeah, man, go on.
Man, understand why them get Kevoy active.
Finally, freedom. Yeah.
Joseph, you've done all you could. Deal with it.
Joseph, promise me you will go.
A lot of the things I read about Africa freaks me out.
Okay, I keep telling you, you're reading the wrong books.
There's some things that are just non-negotiable. And that's the use of bush medicine in my hospital. Never gonna happen.
That's what Granddad made his living from in a compound, and we know he was a master at this.
You bringing any bush in the hospital?
There's enough.
No, we are a family of professional doctors. Let's all learn.
Everyone walks through these doors. They're expecting a miracle.
Preserving the family legacy is also your responsibility.
You are descendant of Nani, many mighty warriors.
Granddad was saying that it was...
Granddad, every time you open your mouth, his name come out of it. You know what I had to endure under that man's hands?
So because of that, you're going to stop me from living the life that I want to live? Hell no! I'm done with pleasing you and everybody else.
I hate you! What are you looking at?
Okay. You should stay away from me. I'm Poison Joseph.
Is that ganja smoking Rasta girl, right?
Look, Mom, even if it is, it's still my decision. How do you know my name?
Where do you see my son? You're like a candle that cannot be hidden under a bushel.
Where are you going?
To look for my son?
I'm making you!
No, pass out.
I'm on a journey to reconnect with my ancestry.
Many more will find their way home.
May the souls of my two heroes rest in peace. I'll be there in Ghana with you. Yeah?
That's not how we talk. I keep
That's how
telling
you talk.
Hey, at the first time, never say a trailer and tear up.
People.
I think this is a sponsor. Is a sponsor on Instagram?
Yeah, it's a sponsor.
Yeah, that's where I saw the trailer first. I was like, look what Kevoy act. I will give big.
That's usually what I do.
Tell me a little bit about your character and how you got casted for the role.
All right, so Joseph is a doctor from the upper echelon of society. He's from a family of doctors. Mother is a doctor, father is a doctor, sister is a doctor. He's a doctor.
Grandfather is a doctor.
Grandfather was a he's a Maroon. My grandfather was a Maroon who practiced Maroon. Yeah, he's a bush doctor, so to speak.
Yeah.
So to speak. And when he was a child, his granddad used to talk to him about Africa and implementing these types of things. And so he decided that he wanted to use herbal treatment into his practice, but his dad won't allow it. And so Joseph had to find his own identity and go to Africa and practice his herbal medicine. Yeah.
Okay. So we understand that this movie was shot in Ghana, Nigeria, and Jamaica.
No, it was shot in Ghana, Barbados, Jamaica. Right, we wanted to go to Nigeria, but you know the budget's never. We know it go.
Like, any plans to do more Nollywood films?
Of course. I'm actually I'm moving to Ghana. In a few. Yeah.
I'm a general. You're a friend.
So you know.
I'm a charge.
But tell us a little bit about what it was like doing the film in these countries.
Well, I mean, obviously Jamaica is. We all know, we know what Jamaica is. Yeah, it's home. But then when I went to Ghana, it also felt like home. The people look like me. They actually mistake me for a Ghanaian a lot of times. Even when I went to Nigeria, people were like, "Yo, are you Ghanaian?" And I was like, "No, I'm from Jamaica." And the crew in Ghana specifically were very professional people, very, very professional. They used their resources to the best of their abilities. It was surprising to see, at least because of what we were told here. You know what I mean?
The other country that you mentioned, though, what was it? It was Bahamas or Barbados?
Barbados.
Barbados. What was it? People might think that it's
Barbados, but I went to Barbados like 2 weeks ago, I think, or 3 weeks ago.
Okay.
Yeah, and Barbados, it's very tiny. It's very flat.
All right, so Jessica, tell us about the premiere fundraiser event.
Well, it's a wonderful blem. What has happened is that Marcia Weeks, who lives in Barbados with her husband Dave Weeks and is Step by Step Production, who co-wrote and directed the film, went to St. Andrew. And we're going to drop off an essay.
Yeah,
it's St. Andrew. No, it's not St. Andrew.
Not St. Andrew.
No,
that's Upper. You have to have an Upper before that. Upper St. Andrew. We're talking St. Andrew.
We're talking about St. Andrew, or Andrew's Girls, okay? So when we linked, I heard about the film when it premiered in Ghana by another Andrew's girl living in Ghana. Ruth, exactly. And I wrote to Ruth and said, Ruth, boy, can we premiere it here? Because we've done a number of premieres and to raise funds for the school. And I linked then with Marcia, and Marcia said, yes, St. Andrew has done so much for me and made me into the woman that I am today. So, yes, so she has gifted us the premiere. So actually, we're doing 2 theaters at Carib.
Right.
So the stars, Kevoy, and everybody else, other Jamaicans, and yes, and Tommy Cohen, I found out afterwards, is also in the movie. In the movie.
Yeah, it wasn't true.
So they're about 6 different 6 Jamaicans, plus Kevoy.
Where can we get tickets for
and what time is the premiere?
Okay, the premiere, we start with a red carpet at 12:30 at Carib on Sunday, this Sunday PM, and then the movie will start at 1.
Okay.
So tickets, let me just read it off for you. The tickets now are at St. Andrew High School. I have tickets here today if you want your tickets. Happy to give you tickets. But we have a bookstore at school, and that will be until Friday, the Essentials Bookstore, St. Andrew. Then Design Options, you can get tickets through Saturday, and that's 28 Shortwood Road. And then Avoda Productions, who is allied with Step by Step in South Optical, Jamaica, in New Kingston Shopping Center. They also have tickets, and they're open 9 to 6 p.m.
And this information is on social media?
The information is on social media.
Where?
Yes. It's through St. Andrew, a lot of it, and also through Joseph as well. Okay. Joseph is the name of the film.
So Kevoy, quickly, just tell us your social media handles.
Kevoy B is just Kevoy B, everywhere.
I'm a friend, you could ask me. Thank you so much for joining us. Yeah, and it's 3 years today that we started the show.
True.
Like 3 years today, yeah.
I'm have a quick special big up to Stacey McKenzie. I see you in her power. I saw you, she's doing big things. Big things.
You can do a big up to my friend birthday, you know.
Say it fast.
Big up Birchell today, birthday. Big up yourself, my G.
Big up Birchell.
And of course, it's me and Craig here today for big up all the co-hosts, Nisha, Yen, and Saniq. Joel, who also started with us. Also, Odessa, Judith Garnett with it, Christine, Donovan.
Rest of the crew, big up on yourself.
Big up on yourself. Now that's it. Thank you for tuning in. And we'll be back on Friday with much more
buzz, chat, vibe, and
mix.